Welcome to NFTstudio24.com.
I'm Andrea, and today we're going to talk about how the value of the NFT goes up. Now, the value we have in all assets, whether that be real world or digital, is relying on supply and demand. If the demand for an item goes up and the supply is low, then the price will also go up. And if the supply is up for the item and the demand is down, the price will also go down. An easy way of understanding the current worth of any NFT project or series is looking at the floor price. The floor price is the lowest listed NFT in that project, which establishes the worth of an NFT. This doesn't mean that this is how much your NFT is worth, because rarity also factors into that. But it does mean that it is the absolute lowest you can get for an NFT. The floor price can be raised by buying the lowest listed item on a project and then list it for higher. So supply and demand is very much owned by the community of holders. And another way the value of an NFT can go up is if you add utility to the NFT later on, and that then increases the demand for the project and usually the price. That's why it's always important to DYOR and look deep into the community and the roadmap, as those are very strong indicators of how much it should go up in value. Remember guys, make sure to comment below and let us know what else you would like for us to talk about regarding everything NFTs.
For more education videos, visit our website, NFTstudio24.com.